Hey, to set up iOS launcher on the Redmi A3, all you have to do is just open the Google Play Store. Then you have to click on search and input this phrase, iOS launcher. And we have to actually get this one, the iOS launcher from the apps Gen Z, the launcher iOS 17. So now you have to actually download it on your phone, and you will have to actually wait a little bit until it will be on your smartphone. Now just wait for the installation process. And click open. From this we have to wait for this loading screen. And we'll have to accept some permissions and set this launcher as default one to get all of these themes of the iPad or iPhone devices. Now select your language and click save. From this you have to just click continue 2 times and click start. Sometimes you can get this pop ads, but you have to just turn them off by clicking on the X in the left or the right upper corner. And now just wait for the final result. Now we have to click to set as default, select launcher iOS 17, then go back, and as you can see from this, we've got actually the iOS launcher on our Redmi A3, and it works pretty cool. Also, we can personalize it by going into this iOS launcher and download some other options, like for example the dynamic island or the control center. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.